Let us see the previous questions from time and work pipes and cisterns topic. Here, if you observe this first question, it's a group of people, 9 men and 20 women working together can complete a work in 15 days. Whereas, okay, the quantity of work done by 1 man and 3 women is 1/8 of the quantity of the work done by 9 men and 2 women for any given time duration. See, actually, here they want to give the relationship between men and women. This first lines, okay, is giving relation between men and women, like 9 men plus 20 women, right? Okay, 1 by 8 of this is nothing but equal to 1 man plus 3 women. Now cross multiplying 9 men plus 20 women equal to 8 men plus 24 women. So clearly 24 only, right? So clearly 1 man is equal to 4 women. As per this question, 1 man equal to 4 women. 1 man can be replaced by 4 women. So what is advantage here? Now 9 men plus 20 women, right? So 1 man equal to 4 women, then this will be 36 women plus 20 women, which is nothing but 56 women. See, 56 women can complete the work in 15 days. Now you want to calculate 28 women. Half of the people time will be double. 30 days is the answer. 56 women can complete the work in 15 days, 1 5. Okay, then 28 women can complete the work. So number of people is half. Time taken should be double. 15 into 2, 30 days is the answer. See? Okay, no formulas, nothing. It's very simple. They given relation between these two. Use it and go ahead. Simple, right? Check this next question. It was assumed that 65 boys can make 240 candles in 6 hours. After an hour, it was observed only 30 candles are made. How many more boys must be added so that the work will completed on time? Chain rule concept. Right, so 240 candles is your work to complete. When you use 65 boys, 6 hours per day, only 30 candles are done. After 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour. Total 6 hours, okay. In 1 hour, if you use 64 boys, only 30 candles are completed. Now you have work for 210 candles to complete, right? Now on time, we have to complete on time means we have 5 hours extra. Still 5 hours is there. Now, if it is 65 boys, it's not complete. See, 65 boys, 1 hour 30, then 5 hours means 5 into 30, 150, 30 plus 150, 180 will complete. If they go in this flow, initially you have an assumption that 64 boys can complete. You have assumed, but reality is different. Okay, 64, 240 candles in 6 hours means 1 hour 40 is required, but 1 hour 30 only completed. Your work is not up to the mark. So to complete the work on time, you have to increase number of boys, 64 plus some extra boys you can take, right? So you can use chain rule, number of people, how much time, what is the work done. M1 T1 upon W1 equal to M2 T2 upon W2. Here 65 plus A, 5 hours, 210. This is 7 times 91. So 65 plus 26 is 91. Additional is 26. Here 91 is there, but additional they are asking cross multiply 91. 13 into 7, 91. Okay, 65 plus 26 is 91. So additionally, we required 26 boys to complete the task. Now see this question. Time and work, pipes and cisterns. A is 5 times efficiency as B. Time taken by A and B together is 3 days less than time taken by A alone to complete the work. B alone complete the work in how many days? Right. So A is 5 times efficiency as B. If B can type 1 page per day, A can type 5 pages per day. Together they can type 6 pages per day. Together 6 pages per day. Right. Now see, timing and efficiency are inversely proportional. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional. A efficiency is 5, A plus B efficiency is 6. Now time taken will be 6 is to 5. This is 5 is to 6 means this is 6 is to 5. Something called 6k, this is 5k you can take. 6k, 5k because this is 5 is to 6, this will be 6 is to 5. Right. Then they said the difference is 3, so k value equal to 3. So this is nothing but 18 days. A alone can complete the work in 18 days. B alone can complete the work in 15 days. Difference must be 3. 6 is to 5. Right, 6k, 5k. Difference is 3 means k equal to 3 is what we can understand. Okay, now 6 pages per day, 15 days means 1 page per day, 90 days is required. B alone can complete the work in 90 days. No option. Or if they given together, if you want to calculate alone, product divided by difference. Product divided by difference, still that will give the answer 90 only. When you have together, you want to calculate alone means product divided by difference. Or else 15 into 6, 90, 18 into 5, 90. Here 90 into 1, 90 required. So 90 days is correct. B alone will take 90 days. Option A, you change it like 90. 90 is the perfect one. See, approach here. Maybe some typing error, that's not an issue. 90 is correct answer. Right, so let's see about the next one. When you have together, you have to calculate alone means product divided by difference you can apply. Now see the next question here. Time taken by B to complete a work in 20 days. B take 20 days more than the time taken by A to complete the same work. If they work together 24 days, what is the time taken by A alone to complete the work? See this question, good question actually. See, B is taking 20 days more than A. A is taking certain time, B okay. Together it is 24. Together 24, they are asking about alone. Together 24. Okay, and let's say B is taking X days. A will take 20 days. Sorry, A is taking X days means B will take X plus 20. If A is completing the work in X days, B will be X plus 20 days. Now here together 24 is given. See when they given alone, how to calculate together is product divided by summation. Product divided by sum of these two is 2x plus 20. That is they given as 24. Together is given already. Okay, you can use this and calculate x value. You may got positive and negative values. Take positive value of x only. Now x square, okay. 20x here 48x will be there. Okay, that will become minus 28x, and here minus 480. 24 into 20 minus 480 will be equal to 0. Now 480 is split into two terms where we have to get difference as 28, minus 28 in fact. Yeah, what's possibility? 40 into 12, right? X value 40 is correct. This is minus 40 into 12. Then X will be plus 40 comma minus 12 will come. This is the shortcut actually. When you are able to split satisfying this, minus 40 plus 12 is minus 28. Minus 40 multiplied with 12 is minus 480 satisfied. Then here minus 40 means you will get plus 40 after solving this equation. When it is plus 12, you will get minus 12 as the final thing. That's the shortcut. Provided x square coefficient is 1. This shortcut is applicable when x square coefficient is 1. Now, okay, A alone, x value 40 means A alone. A alone can complete the work in 40 days. Negative value timing is not allowed. So, option D is the correct answer. Alone not given exact value, it is in terms of x, then still alone and together relationship we know product divided by summation. Now focus on this fifth question. 6 boys can complete a work in 40 days. 8 girls can complete the same work in 30 days. How long 24 boys and 24 girls take to complete the work? Good question, Sirius. 6 boys can complete the work in 40 days, but you require 24 boys. So when these 24 boys are more, time taken will be less. If this is into 4 means here divided by 4, 10 days will come. Instead of 40 days, 10 days. 8 girls, 30 days. We want 24 girls. So here into 3, girls are into 3. The number of days will be divided by 3, 10 days. 24 boys 10 days, 24 girls 10 days. Together it will be 5 days only. Yeah, you can do. Okay, 10 days here, 10 days. Product divided by summation. You can do that way also. 100 divided by 20, which is equal to 5. See, this is as simple as don't make it complicated. Questions, this is all previous questions we are discussing. Pay high attention. We are discussing with next level questions and moderate questions only. Now, see this next question. A certain number of workers were deployed to finish a work in certain amount of time. After 28% of allotted time, it was found that only 25% of the work is completed. By what percentage number of workers should be increased so that the work will completed on time? This is again chain rule, but they're given in terms of percentage. A certain number of workers is there. Okay, let us say 10 workers are there. Initially, let's say 10 workers are working. Now we need additionally some extra workers. How much additional, if you know, then percentage increase will calculate. That's not a big deal, right? Now, see, they have to complete the work on certain time. This is workers or members. That 10 members are 10 men. 10 men are there. Now some additional men is required. Now what we can do? Okay, divide. This is 25% of the work only completed. 28% of timing is completed. You are done with 25% of work only. Here, this remaining people should complete on time means we left with only 72% of the time and work to be completed is 75% of the work. Now, M1, how many members, how much time, how much work? Here, how many members, how much time, how much work? Now, calculate A, with that we can say what percentage increase is that. Okay, how many men to be increased, that will be obtained. Now this is 1 time, this is 3 times, this is 3 24 times, 4 6 times, 4 7 times. 6a equal to 10. Here if you observe, okay, this all cancel. Here 70 percentage also cancel. 70 here 60 plus 6a. So 6a will be equal to 10. A will be equal to 10 by 6. Additional we require around close to 2 men. 10 by 6 means, okay, this is regarding number of people, no? We can say 2 men, 2 people extra required. 1 point something means 2 persons required. Okay, for 10 members, now 2 persons increased means 20% increased. 20% increased. So this is 1 point something, right? 1.66. 1.66 men are not there, no? Okay, we have to say number of workers is in integer 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If it is crossing more than 1 and less than 2 also we should take 2. 1 point something means 2 workers. Right, see 100 men, 28%, 25% of the work here. 100 plus say 72% of the time, 72% of the work. You observe that. Right, so perfect. Now see the next one. Now focus on this question. Jen can complete a work 60 days before Ken completes. If they start working together at the same time, okay, together they can complete the work in 16 days. Now, yeah, first, then regarding the payment, a payment depends on how much work you complete. If a contractor makes them to work together to do thrice the amount of work and agrees to pay a total of 45,000, what part of the total amount should be given to Jen? Okay, Jen will get more amount because he'll do more work. He can complete the work fastly. First, let's see about the what is the time taken. Depends on efficiency, depends on work they complete. We can decide it actually. First, see about that. Okay, Jen can complete 60 days before Ken completes the work. Together they complete the work in 16 days. Together they can complete the work in 16 days. If Ken is taking X days to complete the work, okay, Jen will take X minus 60. Now, how to find that X value as mentioned? Okay, when you know together, alone is there, so we can give the relationship as product divided by summation is product divided by sum of these two values. Sum product of these two divided by sum of these two is equal to 16. Now cross multiplying, okay, we got x square fine. Minus 60x, here 32x. This 32x will come to this side. It will be 92x. Then this is minus 16 into 60. It will be 16 into 60, 960 here. Right. So again, you will get two values. Select the x value in such a way it should be greater than 60. X must be greater than 60. Otherwise, this will be an issue. X minus 60. So you'll get two positive values in fact here. Okay. But make sure your two positive values will get. But make sure it will be x value greater than 60. Now 92 required product of these two. Product and adding those two values 92 required. So what can be done? 96 into 10, 48 into 20, okay, but 48 into 20, 48 and 20 will not give 92, right? Yeah, what can be split? 24, 40, no. 32 and 30, no, we'll get 62, but here we want 92. Split it. This 40 into 24, no, that also no. 80 and 12. Perfect. So minus 80 minus 12, you will get x value 80 and 12, but only 80 is eligible. That's what I am telling you clearly. 80 is only eligible. Now, Jack can complete the work in 20 days. Kevin can complete the work in 80 days. Right. So, Jack, now they're working together 45,000. Okay. But this generally, see, efficiency will decide the amount. If you are more efficient, you will get more payment. They're working together means they worked for same time. They're working together. See, working together 16 days means Jack worked for 16 days. Kevin worked for 16 days. Right. But Jack can complete more work in that 16 days. Depends on that work. It depends on efficiency indirectly. Efficiency. Efficiency here is 4:1. Timing of Jack and Kevin is 20 and 80, which is 1:4. Right. So efficiency is 4:1. They are inversely proportional. If you are more efficient, it will take less time to complete the work. So Jack is complete more work. He'll do more work. So payment is according to this. Among 45,000, Jack payment will be 4 by 5th part. Total 5 parts. Out of that 4 parts will be Jack received, which is nothing but 36,000. Jack should receive 36,000 as the payment. Option B is correct. It depends on efficiency because see, these people together, they are working together. Working together means okay, they'll until completing work, they are working for 10 days or 15 days or 40 days. Okay, both work for same number of days only. But Jack is more faster guy. Okay, he can complete the work in less time. Faster guy means he'll do more work. More efficient person, more work will be completed. Payment should be according to the work. Who complete more work, give more payment to them. Simple. Right. So let's see about this question. Similar to this, we discussed the first question. Now observe this. 46 men and 10 women working together can complete a work in 22 days. Product divided by difference is when they're given together calculating alone. When they're given together calculating alone is product divided by difference. Four men and 10 women working together to complete a work in 22 days. 5 men and 20 women can complete the same work in 13 days. How long it will take for 2 men to complete the work? See, you can create an equation to bring the relationship between these two. 4 men plus 10 women can complete the work in 28 days. The same work, 5 men and 20 women are completing that in 13 days. See, work is same. It's a chain rule part. How many members, how many days? Divided by, okay, W work is there, as work is same. W will get cancelled. How many members here? 4 men and 10 women. Days are 22. Here 5 men and 20 women. Days are 13. Now cross multiplying here, 88, 65. 88 and 65, which is 23 men. Here 220. Here 260. 220, 260. 40 women. This is the relation between men and women here. 40 women equal to 23 men. Now the question is regarding men only. We need to convert in one of the equation. Take one of the equation. Convert men to women. Then we may solve the question. Here relationship here 22 days. 4 men, 10 women. Now men is increased, women increased 13 days. Perfect only. Okay, this is the relationship between them. Fine. Now take one of that equations. It's like 4 men 4 men plus 10 women. Okay, 40 women is equal to 23. I am converting women into men also. 10 women means 23 divided by 4. Now 16 plus 23, 39 men divided by 4. Now I'm converting entire things into men because they're asking question in terms of men. Why you are converting, sir? I want in terms of 2 men. Now see, 4 men and 2 men can complete the work in 22 days. 4 men and 10 women means 39 men divided by 4 can complete the work in 22 days. Now question is 2 men can complete the work in how many days? So it's like M1 D1. How many members? How many days? How many members? How many days? But we are not getting integer value. It's a big warning. Okay. It's close to 110 as per this, but somewhere calculation mistake or typing error. What? 220, 260, 40 difference. There is no doubt in that. Here 88 and 65, 23 perfect. So fine. Then we substituted here 4 men. 10 women is taken as 23 divided by 4. Perfect. 16 plus 23, which is 39 by 4. Yeah. But procedure is this. Nothing to worry, but see this. Okay, we got relation between men and women. Then you convert entire equation into men. They given it as the 22 days. This is entire equal to 39 men, right? So 39 men divided by 4, 22 days. You want 2 men complete the work in how many days? We have to do cross multiplication. Now when you do that, we got, okay, it's not an integer value we got. If suppose 39 is equal to 40, let us say 40 divided by 4 means 10. 10 into 11 means 110. I want less than 110. Okay, close to that, less than 110. Okay, no option available. But this is the procedure we can follow. Is it something maybe fraction 22 1 by 3 like that if they're given? Might be a chance. See, questions will not be obtained directly. Okay, here and there the students with their memory base they'll share the questions, right? So, but it might be 22 1 by 3 or some extra might be there. But if this type of questions came, this is how you can approach. Give relation between men and women. Okay, then you can see this is convert entire into men or convert entire into women. Then go ahead with the question, right? Guys, this is the actual question. 22 2 by 9 also there. Here 13 1 by 3 also there. If we add that, then you will get the answer. Procedure is same. Okay, if you want to do it, let it be. Okay, fine. It is 200 divided by 9, right? This will be, if we do that modification, this will be 200 divided by 9. This will be equal to 40 divided by 3. Now this is 5 times, this is 3 times, that 3 will come to this side. 20 men and 15 men, 5 men. Here it will come as 5 men. And here 50 women, here 60 women, 10 women, 10 women. So 1 man equal to 2 women here. 1 man equal to 2 women. So 10 women means I can write it like 5 men. So totally this is 9 men. Okay, we can convert this as a 9 men. Right, so fine. 9 men can complete the work in 22 2 by 9 means 200 by 9. 9 men can complete the work in 200 by 9. Okay, 2 men, if you want to calculate, cross multiply and complete the task. Right, this is 200 by 9. So 9 get cancelled. We'll get 100 days exactly. D2 is 100 days. The time taken is 100 days to complete. 100 days. Option C is correct. In fact, while doing this correction, I came to know there is one more thing here. 28 4 by 7 is extra. That's not 28%. This is 28 4 by 3. 28 4 by 3. 28 4 by 3 means 200 by 7 percentage. If I do the change, it's exactly here 2 may come. Okay, here we got approximately, right? That might be okay, clear. 28 4 by 7 is nothing but equal to 200 by 7%. Means 2 by 7th part. So 2 by 7th part is completed, time 2 by 7th part completed. Then I can say 5 by 7th is there. This is 2 by 7th part of time, 5 by 7th part of time. So then while doing calculations, that might give bit easy things for us. This is 2 by 7, this is 5 by 7, 7 7 get cancelled. It's 20, here it is 50, 30, 30 equal to, you can, this 3 also will go to this side, no, 60, 60 equal to 10a, 50, yeah, 5, 50 plus 5a, so we got here 5a equal to 10, a equal to 2, no approximation also, exactly a value 2. Okay, instead of 28 4 by 7 we taken 28, that's what the small correction we can see. 2 is a 20% is exact. 10 members initially, now 2 additional required means 20% part. Okay, some other question we struck which is 90 days something one. Now there also I'll cross check. Some other question where this is 90 days, right? So let me check the data. For this question also the problem is here 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3. Here 3 1 by 3, that fraction parts are missing. So 3 1 by 3 days here. But I believe you got the approach. Okay, actually if you want to get the same question to do, this is 3 1 by 3 extra. Okay, it's not 3 days less, 3 1 by 3 they given extra. We taken 3 days less and solved it actually. So then what will happen? Difference is 10 by 3, k equal to 10 by 3. Then this will be 60 by 3. This is 50 by 3 like that. Okay, then you will get different answer. Right, let me take the same question and handle with 1 by 3 extra also. How to handle the same question if 1 by 3 is additionally there? Yeah, fine. So as per the question, we know A is 5 times efficient as B. Okay, fine. Now if you observe, this is B, this is together. Together they can type 6 pages per day. Now this is 5 is to 6 means this is 6 is to 5. Here difference between these two is K. That is nothing but 3, 1, 1 upon 3. That 1 by 3 extra is there. Okay, K equal to 3, 1 by 3 means 10 by 3 days. When K is 10 by 3 days, this will be equal to 16 to 10 divided by 3, 60 by 3, 20 days. 5 pages per day, 20 days means 1 page per day will take 100 days. So B alone can do it in 100 days actually. Option available. Previously 90 we taken because of that 1 by 3 missing. Right, fine. Now let's see about this ninth question. You are very much familiar with this model now. 36 machines working 8 hours a day for 6 days can produce 12,000 candies. How many days will it take for 40 machines working 7 hours, 12 minutes a day to produce 15,000 candies? Number of machines, how many days, M1, D1, H1, E1 upon W1. This side M2, D2, H2, E2 upon W2. So 36 men, number of days is 6, number of hours is 8. Efficiency not given means we can take it as constant. When efficiency not mentioned, we can consider it as a constant. Divide by 12,000, 40 missions, 7 hours, 7 hours, 12 minutes. So 7 1 by 5, 12 minutes can be converted as 1 by 5th of the hour. Number of days we don't know, but this is 15,000 missions. Now 4 9 times, 4 10 times. This is 3 4 times, 3 5 times. 5 ones, 5 2 times. 4 ones, 4 2 times. 2 2 get cancelled. The 7 1 by 5 is nothing but 36 by 5. So here 54 into 5 by 36 equal to D2. This is 18 2 times, 18 3 times. 7 1 by 5, which is 36 divided by 5. Again, any fraction missing? 7.5 days as per this. I'm again double checking with is there any mistakes while doing calculation. So we got 7.5 days. Okay. Right. 7.5. 40 missions, 7 hours, 12 minutes, 15,000 candies. More people, more missions, okay, but still, number of candies also more. Time is slightly less, 7 hours, 12 minutes. No? Now, see the next question. A girl is 3 times efficient as boy. Lucky enough, we got the direct relationship here. A girl is 3 times efficient as boy means one girl equal to 3 boys. One girl, we can take it as equal to 3 boys. Now convert these things into entire boys or entire girls. Right. So yeah, fine. I'll convert this entire 12 boys and 16 girls entire into boys only. One girl equal to 3 boys. So 16 into 3, 48. 48 plus 12, 48 plus 12, we got 60. So 60 boys can complete the work in 12 hours. 60 boys can complete the work in 12 hours. Now question, 15 boys and 25 girls. This also you convert entire into boys. One girl equal to 3 boys. So when you put 75 plus 15, 90 boys. So 60 boys, 12 hours, 90 boys. Okay, so divide by 1.5, 3 by 2, 4 into 2, 8 hours. Cross multiply. This is how many member, how many days. So M1 D1, 60 into 12 equal to 90 into how much time? 32 times, 33 times, 3 ones, 3 fours, 2 into 4, 8 hours. Or you can do cross multiplication. 8 hours. More people, time taken should be less. Inversely proportional, not cross multiplication, sir. It's inversely related, right? Inversely related. Now see the 11th one. Okay, C alone can complete the work. A and B together, B and C together, A and C together is given. Question is regarding C alone. A plus B can complete the work. And this is our regular question where we fix certain work. So for no question we fix the work rights. B and C complete the work in 60 days. A and C complete the work in 50 days. So here we can assume some work and fix that work here. Okay, so which can be divided by 40 and 60 is 120. But 120 not divided by 50, 600 is fine. So 600 pages. In fact, 300, no, 300 cannot. So 600 pages. So let us assume the work is 600 pages. You need to type. A and B do together can do it in 40 days means they're typing 15 pages per day. This is A and B can type 15 pages per day. B and C can type 10 pages per day. Whereas A and C can type 12 pages per day. Right. Now, if you want to get C alone, we need C efficiency. Before that, okay, add all this right hand side. We'll get 2A, 2B, 2C. I'll add all right hand side 2A, 2B, 2C. So twice of A plus B plus C efficiency. Here 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 12, 37. So 37 pages per day. So A plus B plus C can type 37 divided by 2, 18.5 pages per day. See, A plus B plus C can type 18.5 pages per day. I want C alone, sir. A plus B is 15, right? A plus B 15, A plus B plus C 18.5. Then I can conclude C can type, I can conclude C can type 3.5 pages per day. When C can type 3.5 pages per day, what is the time taken by C alone? Time taken by C alone is 600 divided by 3.5. Less than 200. Okay, 7 by 2 also we can write. It's like 1200 divided by 7. 170 nearby. Option C is correct. 1200 divided by 7. 7 170 times is 1190. 1190. So that's why close to that. Okay, 170 is the answer. 717 times 119. Here 120. 119, 120 close enough. So that's why 17, 170 nearby required. Option C. Virtual calculator allowed, you can use it. After this, couple of questions related to pipes and cisterns as well. Tony is 45% more efficient than Montano M. So M alone can do it in 29 days. First of all, T will complete the work in how many days? Then we'll see. Okay, 2.5 times the work means when more work, more time taken. That's into 2.5 we can do. M can complete the work in 29 days. T, okay, this can complete 100 pages per day. This guy can complete 145 pages per day because 45% more efficient. Now, alone time if you want, okay, it's not, it's like, okay, time and work are inversely proportional. Time and work are inversely proportional. Time and work are, sorry, efficiency. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional, not work, sorry. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional. Here x days, x divided by 29 is 100 divided by 145. Inversely we have to write. This is 5 times here, 20 days is what the answer. Okay, but listen, don't go for 20 days. You want to do 2.5 times the work. So 50 days is the answer. Tony alone can complete the work in 20 days, okay. But they're asking 2.5 times of the work. Because of 2.5 times the work, your time should be 50. For completing the work, two of 20 days, but you want to do 2.5 times more work, more time taken. Time and efficiency are inversely proportional. Time and work are directly proportional. More work, more time taken, it will be automatically. Right, so time and work, pipes and cisterns are interlinked. So this is a question related to pipes and cisterns. Pipes and tank. Pipe A fill a tank in 80 minutes. B can fill the same tank in 100 minutes. Both pipes are open together to fill a empty tank. Okay, after half of the tank is filled, on alternate minutes pipe A and B are open. Okay, B filled for the next. What is the approximate total time taken? Okay, first of all, alone 80 and 100. Okay, so A can complete the tank in 80 minutes. B 100 minutes. Okay, we can consider the tank capacity here. How many liters? So 80 and 100, we can take 400 liters is the tank capacity. A can fill 5 liter per minute. B can fill 4 liter per minute. Okay, now see the question. Okay, they are done, half of the tank is filled together. Both are open. Initially, both pipes are open. After half of the tank is filled, first for 200 liters, then remaining 200 liters. For first 200 liters, what is there? A and B together is open. When both are opened, it can fill 9 liter per minute. Time taken for this half of the tank. Time taken for this half of the tank is 200 divided by 9. Time taken 200 divided by 9. 22. Okay, we can say it's 22 2 by 9. 22 2 by 9 minutes or 200 by 9. Right. And still 200 liters to be filled, but how it should be done is first minute A, then B, not both at a time opened. First minute A, next minute B, next third minute A, fourth minute B, like that, alternate. Half of the tank, okay, after half of the tank is filled, remaining tank is filled in alternate. Okay, now if it is alternate, okay, to fill 200 liters, what can be done? And this is an excellent question, next level question they given. Okay, now your target 200 liters. First minute, after half of the tank is filled, that's fine. Next, first minute A will fill the tank in 5 liters will be filled. Second minute B will open and it will fill 4 liters. So in 2 minutes, 9 liters are filled. We want to go close to 200. We want to go close to 200, right? So I had to multiply with 22. If I multiply with 22, 44 minutes, 44 minutes, 198 liters are filled. Guys, observe this approach, what is happening. Right, first minute A can fill the tank in A will fill 5 liters. How, sir? This is what efficiency, 5 liter per minute. This is related to A. Whereas B can fill 4 liter per minute. Right, 1 minute 5 liters, 1 minute 4 liters. So 2 minutes completed. Both won't open at a time. First minute A, then second minute B. Next, similarly, third minute A, fourth minute B. Next 2 minutes also 9 liters. Likewise, it will keep going 44 minutes, 198 liters, fine. Next, still 2 liters are there. Okay, see in every odd timing, first minute A, second minute B, third minute A, third minute, fifth minute, like that. Now, next A should come available. It should fill remaining 2 liters. Still 2 liters more. The 2 liters should be filled by A. Okay, A capacity is 5 liter per minute, 2 liters only. See, don't take entire 45 minutes. Don't want extra, entire minute is not required. A need to fill the remaining 2 liters because 200 liters is the target. 198 already completed. Only 2 liters are left over. If I give entire minute, A will fill 5 liters. I don't want 5, I want only 2. So extra time required is 2 by 5th of the minute. So we, okay, for this remaining half of the tank we required, okay, 44 plus 2 by 5. This is for remaining part. Second part, first part is already 22 plus 2 by 9. This is first part, 22 plus 2 by 9. Second part is 44 plus 2 by 5. Now 44 plus 22, 66 plus some extra. They given approximately, I can take 66 minutes approximately. Approximate total time is 66. So T should be T1 plus T2. Actually, it should be 66 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 24 seconds. Okay, you can convert into seconds also. There is some extra also. Approximately as per the options. As 67 is not available. I repeat, as 67 is not available. Okay, we are going with 66 minutes. Approximate is the word they used. Okay, but see the approach, how things are going on. See, if you want to do approximately, here we got around 22 minutes, no, together. But here, alternate, double time, close to double time. That's why here around 44 minutes, but not exactly double, close to the double. Okay, so 22 plus 44, around 66 minutes you can close. 66 plus some extra. Okay, but among options, 67 is not there. We can go with 66 here. Okay, boys equal to 3 girls. This question, one girl is thrice as efficient as boy, not boy equal to 3 girls. No, a girl is thrice as efficient as boy. Means one girl equal to 3 boy. A boy is 3 times efficient as girl, then one boy equal to 3 girl you can put and go ahead. Efficiency is directly proportional. Okay, see, girl is more efficient, more capacity, more than boy. It's directly, it's not boy equal to 3 girl. As per this line, a boy is twice efficient as girl. A boy is twice efficient as girl means one boy equal to 2 girls we can take. Timing means then divided. Okay, if it is suppose a girl is taking thrice time, timing, if it is timing thrice time taken as a boy, then one girl equal to 1 by third of boy, inversely proportional. Boy equal to 3 girl you can take. If it is timing, instead of efficiency timing means then you can write boy equal to 3 girl. Now see the next one. Pipe A can fill it in 24, B can do it in 36. Both are open. Due to leak at the bottom, only 1/5 of the tank is filled per minute. Okay, fine. Leakage alone, there is some leakage as well. Okay, cool. Let's see, this is 24 minutes. This is 36 minutes. We need to fix the work. Okay, here tank capacity I'm fixing like 72 liters. 72 liters. So this will fill 3 liter per minute filling plus, okay, B also filling. So it will fill 2 liter per minute. But when both pipes are opened, due to leakage also there. So A open, B open and leakage, right? They said 1 by 5th of the tank is filled. 1 by tank is 72. 1 by 5th of that means 72 by 5 only filled, okay, liter per minute. So this is what the efficiency indirectly they given. 72 is what we take in the tank capacity. So 1 by 5th of the tank capacity means 72 divided by 5. Okay, 72 divided by 5 means 14.4. 14.4 liters is filling per minute. How long leak alone will complete? Due to a leak at the bottom, 1/5 of the tank. Tank is 72 liters. Okay, 72 divided by 5, 14 point. We got more efficiency, but we want to get less. Okay, fine, let it be. Okay, this is not the correct. Wait. What we can do? Wait. So 1/5 of the tank per minute only fill. If you want to fill the full tank, right, it will take 5 minutes. See, this question is indirectly given. This, okay, when all are open, A open, both pipes open. Now leakage also there. Okay, it is taking 1/5 of the tank to fill in per minute. In 1 minute, 1 by 15. Sorry, that's what mistake happened. Okay, 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15, 115, sorry. I taken 15th, sorry. So 72 divided by 15. This is filling. Filling is there means plus only. This is A plus B plus leakage. If you try leakage alone, okay, 72 divided by 15 minus 5. Okay, 5 can be written as 15, 75 divided by 5. Leakage 75 divided by 15, 5. So leakage is 3 by 15, 1 by 5th of the part. So if you observe, leakage will be negative. Yes, leakage should do negative work only. So what leakage will do? Minus 3 by 50 means minus 1 by 5. So leakage will empty 1 by 5th of the liter per minute. So time taken, work is 72 liters. Efficiency is 1 by 5th of liter per minute. 72 into 5 is 360 minutes. 360 minutes, which is nothing but 6 hours. Leakage alone can empty the tank in 6 hours. 15th I taken as 5th. That's what the mistake. We'll read one thing, okay, we'll write it other. So right? So says perfect. Let's see about the next one. With that time and work pipes and cisterns related previous questions we can close. Ajay alone can complete a work in 80 days. Ajay starts working and leaves after 30 days. Benjamin takes up the remaining work and complete it in 40 days. If Ajay worked for 20 more days and Benjamin did the remaining work, how early or late the work has to be completed? Again, good question. We can say Ajay alone can complete the work in 80 days. Right? Let us consider, let's say, for example, work is 160 pages for easy understanding. He can type 2 pages per day. Let us say we take 80 pages also fine. Okay, for your easy understanding, I'm happy like this. So first 30 days means we're done with 60 pages. Ajay is there for first 30 days means he can type 2 pages per day. 30 into 2, 60 pages are completed, and still 100 pages are left over. This is done by B in 40 days. So we can understand B can type 100 pages in 40 days means 2.5 pages per day is the efficiency. A efficiency 2, B efficiency is 2.5. So if B working more days, time taken will be less. So A working more days means it will be late only. It's not early, it will take late. Because as per the question, what is there? 20 more days means A worked for 50 days. Initially A worked for 30 days. Now if suppose Ajay worked for 20 more days means Ajay should work for 50 days. If Ajay working for 50 days, then how many more days it will take to complete? So here 70 days, no 30 plus 40, 70. Here 50 days, 50 into 2, 60 pages completed by Ajay. 100 pages completed. 100 pages completed. 60 to be complete by B. Okay, B efficiency is 2.5. 60 divided by 2.5. 5 by 2. 24 days it will take. So 4 days late. Here previously 30 plus 40, 70 days. Now here you got 4 days late. This is 24. 50 plus 24, 74 days. 4 days late. See, excellent question, right? This is why TCS is a different company where concept speaks a lot. Right? See, nothing to bad. Late we decided because B efficiency is more. If B worked for more days, okay, time taken will be less. But here A is working for more, then automatically things will be issue. Right? Okay.